Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Meech the Preach. I'm currently in Dallas, Texas right now. It's November 1st, and I just wanted to make this quick little video real quick. I know I had posted a video early on today. It was basically a video I recorded a year ago, and I had it scheduled to post today. But bro, I was pretty much watching that video back, and you know, I did not expect that I would be in the predicament I am right now, so to say, when I was recording that video. But you know, I feel like I am in a better place in certain aspects of my life. Like, I'm not working a job anymore. I'm not, you know, locked into something that is going to, you know, be messing with my mental health. Like, feeling like I gotta go to this job every day and work and slave for these other people. So that's one thing that's changed since that video. And, you know, before I have reached 10,000 subscribers, because I was only like 400 subscribers when I dropped that video. So yeah, a lot have changed, but long story short, this video is basically to say that in these next 2 months before the New Year's comes, I really want to lock in. Like, I really gotta lock in, bro. And I want y'all to look at this journey and be like, damn, Meech really put that work in. He locked in and did what he was gonna say, bro. And I'm making this video because if y'all know me, if I say something on a video and put it on a video, I have to do it. Like, I literally have to do it. I have to. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. So y'all see, when I made that video, consistency is key. I made a video every day for 30 days in the month of August. So, bro, I'm saying this to say, bro, I literally have to put myself in a better position right now in my life. Like, I'm kind of at the bottom. Like, I feel like I kind of, like, I don't want to say lost it all, but I lost a home and, you know, a job, stable income to live out of my truck. But that's not where I want to be forever. So I want to try and grind and make my way out of this, bro. So I'm just making this video, quick, short little video to say, like, I'm locked in. I'm not exactly where I wanted to be, that I see myself being when I made that video that I posted earlier today. So I am a changed person. I came far, but you know, I'm kind of disappointed a little bit in myself that I'm not in a better place where I should be. So this video is just to say, bro, I'm locked in. I'm making these videos. I just want y'all to support me. Please support me, and I'll keep the content coming. But I'm not happy where I am right now, okay? I'm way happier than I was in Maryland, don't get me wrong. But I always want that more. I'm grateful for where I'm at. I thank God every day that I'm where I'm at right now in life. And I'm right where I'm supposed to be at in life. But I'm just praying and I'm trying to manifest something way better so y'all can see this journey of where I started and where I'm going to end up. But with that being said, man, it's your boy Meech the Preach. I just want to make this quick video to check in with y'all. Make sure you subscribe to the tribe if you're not yet. And I'll catch you on the next video, man. I love y'all, gang.